Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be learning about determinants or matrix 1. So today we'll be learning about Laplace method of expansion of a determinant. So let me write the statement. In an nth order determinant, which can be represented as d of modulus of aij order of n or n cross n, if any r rows be selected, d can be represented as, the determinant can be represented as the sum of the products of all the minors of order r formed by those r number of rows and their respective algebraic components and their respective algebraic complements. So to explain this, let me show you an example which should clear everything. So suppose we have a determinant of 4 cross 4, x11, x12, x13, x14, x21, x22, x23, x24, x31, x32, x33, x34, x41, x42, x43, x44. Now we need to expand this in terms of minors of order 2 from the first two rows. We can take any two rows, but first two rows is generally the trend, so we need to do it by Laplace expansion rule. So let me write this. So first we need to write the minors and respective algebraic complements. So first minus 1 to the power. So now we are taking first two rows. So from these two rows we will do all the operations. So we will take first row and second row. So this will be I, so this will be 1 plus 2, and we will take the column now. So suppose we are taking this rows and these two column. So this will be first column, this will be second column. This will be plus 1 plus 2. Now we will take the minor. This will be x11, x12, x21, x22. Now removing these two, we will be left with this 4. So this will be x33, x34, this will be x43, and this will be x44. So for this, the number of these terms will be 4c2. For there are 4 rows, 4 elements, and we have to make grouping of 2. So for 2 is 4c2, that will be 6. So now again minus 1. Now we will take these two columns. The rows will be fixed 1 and 3. So this will be 1 plus 2 for rows, this is, and for column this will be 1 and 3. 1 plus 3. Now you will write this x11, x13, x21, x23. Now eliminating these two column and these two rows, we will be left with these 4 elements. So this will be x32, x34, x42, x44. Now similarly, so this will take a lot of space. So now plus, this will be minus 1 whole to the power. Our rows are fixed, so now we'll take the column. So for this and this, so this will be 1 plus 4. Now this will be x11, x14, this will be x21, x24. Now see, if we eliminate these two, we will be left with this. So this will be x32, this will be x33, this will be x42, this will be x43. Now similarly, now these rows are fixed, so now we will take these two columns 2 and 3. So this will be 2 plus 3, and similarly eliminating this 2 will get this 4 elements. So first we'll write the original x12, x13, x22, x23. Now this will be x31, this will be x34, this will be x41, x44. Now again, now for last two elements, this will be 1, 2 plus, now we will take this and 2 and 4, so this will be plus 2 and 4. So this will be x12, x14, x22, x24. Now for this, if we eliminate this 2, we get these 4 elements: x31, x33, x41, x43. Now our second column has also been finished. Now the last will be x3 and 4. So this will be minus 1 whole to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now this is simple: x13, x14, x23, x24. Now this will be, so eliminating these 2, this 4 will be left. So this will be x31, x32, x41, x42. So these were the 6 determinants that will be expanded by Laplace method. So if you had any problems, comment below, and if you did like my video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.